Well, tonight we begin with developing news on the European migrant crisis. Italy's collaboration with Libya to stop migrants from crossing the Mediterranean Sea has hit a major snag. A lawsuit filed in the European Court of Human Rights asserts that Italy's work with the Libyan Coast Guard has forced thousands of people to return to Libya against their will, exposing them to inhumane conditions. Sabina Castelfranco reports from Rome.
These scenes of African migrants rescued at sea and brought to Italian ports have been the norm for years. Until recently, the Italian Coast Guard coordinated these rescue efforts. To put an end to the constant crossings, Italy made an agreement with Libya.
Italy and the EU have essentially re-established the Libyan Coast Guard, which was operationally inexistent until the end of 2015.
Hella prepared a report used in a lawsuit filed against Italy by 17 Nigerian migrants who survived a deadly sea crossing in November. He and the plaintiff's lawyers claim the Libyan Coast Guard has operated as Italy's proxy to intercept migrants and take them back to unacceptable conditions in Libya.
Italy and the EU have implemented their policy with full knowledge of the violent and criminal behavior of the Libyan Coast Guard and of the fate of extreme forms of violence and exploitation that has awaited many of those returned to Libya.
Amnesty International says the Libyan Coast Guard intercepted more than 20,000 migrants in 2017. This led to a significant drop in arrivals on the Italian coastline.
While this operation has temporarily succeeded in stemming crossings, this has been done by the outsourcing of human rights violations to Libyan actors and has made migrants bear a human cost that is far too high.
The Italian government has not yet reacted to the lawsuit filed last week. While the legal challenge may represent the best hope for change for the many migrants hoping to improve their lives, the lengthy process could take up to 3 years. Sabina Castelfranco for VOA News, Rome.